Good morning to all of you. Myself Ravindra. You're very warm welcome in my YouTube channel Stuti Academy. Friends, today we talk about the compound interest, in Hindi known as Chakravarti Vyaj. Okay. So we know what is the formula of A means amount. So A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. So what is the A? A is your amount and P is the prime value and R is the rate and T is the time. Okay, and this formula is valid for year basis. Okay, this formula is valid for your year basis. In case if in question given the rate of interest based on half yearly, for half yearly, what is formula? Means AH is equal to P. In case of half yearly, R becomes R by 2 and T becomes 2T, means rate should be half and time becomes 2 times. So A equal to P 1 plus R by 2 means R upon 200 to the power 2T. So this is your for half yearly. And now if some question comes and talking about your what is the quarterly, okay, so let me know the quarterly is equal to P 1 plus, in this case rate becomes R by 4 and time becomes 4 times. So 1 plus R upon 400 to the power 40. You calculate from here your amount, okay, and in Hindi this is your Mesardhan, this is your Moondhan and this is your Dar and this is your time. Means A amount is your Mesardhan, P is your prime value means Moondhan and R is the rate means the and T is the time means summer. So time here give into to you either in years, either in half yearly. Half yearly means what? Half yearly means year by 2. Okay, and in case of quarterly, then what is? Then your year by 4. Okay, so okay, this is okay. Now in practice, you write down these formulas and remember to it for solving the questions for your practice. Now we talk about what is compound interest. Actually compound interest is calculate rate on rate, interest on interest. Okay, suppose that if anyone asking about the 3 years, what is the rate of interest for 3 years, then what is the basic value? Basic value your prime value, and after 1 year there is a some amount comes for interest, then add into the prime value for that interest, then it becomes basic value for the second year, and after completion of 2 years then the prime value comes and with interest then that is also plus, so the value becomes now for your third year. Okay, so it is from formula directly comes out. Now we one more we talk about the question, your year on year, what is the value? Okay, so suppose that you have given the year on year, your rate of interest is 4, 5 and 10%. In practice these three mostly in every exam or in any other competition exams also, three rates are mostly comes, and time either you asking about 1 year or 2 year or 3 year, but rarely the competition or any academic career taking about the more than 3 years. So at least in these three practice and you calculate from here, then you got the answer. Suppose that there is a 3 rate of interest for yearly. Okay, yearly means T becomes 1. Now in this case what is the amount? Amount is P and 1 plus, suppose that this is your R1 means first rate of interest. So R1 upon 100 and 1 plus R2 upon 100 and 1 plus R3 upon 100. So here T is 1, so 1 plus R1 upon 100 to the power T means 1, so it becomes 1. Now you can directly calculate amount from here with on yearly wise rate of interest is 4, 5 and 10. So we giving here R1 is 4% and R2 is 5% and R3 is 10%. Now this is your amount, means after year wise. Okay. Now we take the one more value. Now we take about your this becomes okay. What is compound interest? No, what is amount? So after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, amount what becomes? It is prime value plus compound interest. Okay. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is equal to A minus P. And what is A? A is this one. So A is what you write down here in place of A. So equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T minus P. Okay. We taking common P. So now becomes 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T minus 1. This is your compound interest. Either you don't want to calculate your amount after 1 year or 2 year, 4 years, and the question talking about the compound interest, then you can directly calculate the compound interest from here. Okay. So this is your direct formula for compound interest. R, you first calculate A means Misradhan or amount, A equal to P1 plus R upon 100. Now A is equal to P plus compound interest, and compound interest is A minus P. If talking about the amount, then you using this formula or this formula, and talking about compound interest, then A minus P. P is the prime value, means Mooldhan. Now we go to about the first problem. What is the first problem? We taking just a problem and we solving to you here. So you just remember. So we take a question. So question is your, suppose that 10,000 amount means P. Let me know 10,000 rupees. Okay. And in your question also given rate of interest. Rate of interest just given 5%. And he is asking about the after 3 years, T is equal to 3 years. Okay. He is asking about the after 3 years, what is the compound interest? So here we given P 10,000, P and R is 5%, T is 3 years. Then calculate compound interest after 3 years. So he asking about the compound interest. Then how you calculate? You know P is 10,000, you just calculate A. A means amount is equal to P how much? 10,000. You just R values put into this formula. Okay. So 1 plus R, what is R? R is 5 upon 100 to the power T. T is how much? 3 years. Okay. So A is equal to 10,000. So 5 and 5, 20, 10,000. And 1 plus 1 upon 20 to the power 3. So A is equal to 10,000. Okay, and 21 upon 20 to the power 3. Now just calculate, then A becomes, okay. So you just calculate, and this is for you because I can't to take more time into 21 upon 120 into 20 into 20. So what is the power of cube? 21 to the power cube means 21 multiplied into 3 times. So 21 into 21 into 21. Okay. So this is your becomes, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. So how much it becomes? 5 into 21 into 21 into 21 upon 4. You just calculate to it. So this becomes your A. Now what is compound interest? You just compound interest is equal to A minus P. So A becomes this value and minus P becomes 10,000. Then your answer should be comes out. So just calculate and comment on us. So this is your compound interest, and we talked already in before our lecture for simple interest. We just giving brief to you for simple interest. You know what is the formula of simple interest? Okay. So the simple interest is SI is equal to मूल काल दर से गुणा 100 से कीजिए भाग, काटे पीटे जो बचे वही समझ लोगे आज, ये नहीं ना। We go, so simple interest is how much? T into R into T upon 100. This is the simple interest formula. Just you keep it, P is the prime value, R is the rate, and T is the time. And so this is simple. Sometimes in your questions, in your competition, in your academic, they have also talking about they giving any problem and they just say to you what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. So it is obviously you know very well that compound interest is always greater than from simple interest for the same value. Okay, so you just keep to it. So this is for the day. If you like our video, please subscribe my channel for next video and comment, share, and thanks for watching. Thank you.